Hello dear friends, welcome to MarielBeadsandBeyond. Today I'm going to be sharing with you. I am making some t-shirts for my Etsy and my website, so I'm going to share with you my favorite. Along the way I'm going to be explaining why am I doing things this way. Let's get started. I'm going to be using this t-shirt, and this one is 100% cotton. So first we're going to set our t-shirt and trying to make it straight. The best way is if you bring it all the way down, kind of shoot is good, and then we're gonna pull it until the color drops, and that is good. Make sure it's straight. Overall, I think it's really good. So I got my design. So this design I'm going to be layering. I have at least 3 different colors, which it's a little bit hard to accomplish, and since this is just simple, I'm going to be doing it this way. Of course, if I were to sell like a bunch of shirts, I definitely had to outsource this project due to all the colors that are involved, and it'll just take a long time to heat press this. So I'm going to try to set. I fold it in half, so kind of try to get the center. Since I'm still learning, I want to try to get as straight as possible. I made this. It's kind of to guide myself. So kind of that looks good. It's a little bit off though. Yep, so that is actually good. I could afford to drop it a little bit down, so I might do that, just a tiny bit right there. Now with these designs, I don't worry too much because it's not gonna be perfectly straight, but I want to have it as straight as possible, so that is good. And that is good as well. So as you can see, it is 3 fingers down. The next thing is I'm going to try to keep it balanced. So this is closer. It's like it should be kind of the same with this one. So I'm just going to move it a little bit farther. This to keep it about the same. So to me that's good. Yep, so that's perfect. So okay, so let's start. First we want to have a clear surface. So for me, my sleeves are a little bit on top, so since I got my design, I'm just gonna bring this a little bit more up and just make sure everything is about right. The other thing is I'm using ultra wheat, and I'm going to be using glitter flake. Glitter flake, it's at 300 for 12 to 15 seconds. I'm going to do it at 12 seconds for now. Ultra wheat is at 280 to 300. This is cotton, so I will go for 300, and the same is for 12 seconds. Like I said, I'm gonna do it this way. It's a lot of colors. At this point, I'm not worried about it so much because it's just one shirt. We're gonna use our cover sheet, and what I'm doing, since I never know what tab I use, so I mark it and I put tab, so I know that's the part needs to go on top. And I'm just going to apply this for 2 seconds. And I preheated before, so if you haven't, you had to preheat, okay, to remove wrinkles and stuff. But I preheated before. So I'm going to remove this very careful because I have a lot of small pieces in here. I want to make sure that everything is stuck together. Sure. Now I'm going to be adding pieces, and why I do this because since it's different colors, I want to make sure that I'm going to be pressing the less times I can. So like for example, if I were to cut like the same color in like on a large sheet, I had to apply that color once and then again. So I figure if I just do it with small pieces, since this is simple, it'll be good for me. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And yes, it's going to be time consuming, but it's just one shirt, so I don't mind that. So I'm applying my ultra weight, and I forgot to remove these parts, so I'm doing right now. I'm gonna apply everything that is ultra weight right now, just because that is thinner than the glitter flake. This looks right. I believe everything else that I have, it's glitter flake. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply this for 2 seconds. I am a little bit picky, so I want to make sure that I am correctly. I forgot to mention that I'm using my A2C. The optimal thing it'll be that if I can add all these pieces at once, but I can't because I have different colors. So let's try to do I'm gonna try to do my best to apply as many as I can. And like I said, I could have just like not cut these little pieces and just have one large piece. But okay, it's okay. So that this one is gonna have to wait. The other ones as well. And all I have left, I can add the shoes. Good. Need the shoes for that one. So I'm going to go ahead and press this for 3 seconds. So as you can see now, I pressed once, twice, so it's 3 times right now. So this project is gonna be hit applying 5 times, and I don't know how good is that. So let's keep going. I love this design. This is my favorite. Okay, so let's finish. Let's see. I'm sorry if I'm getting on your way. Just need to see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if that note goes right there, so I'm just gonna cut it for now. All I had to do now is add my notes. And then I have the name of the person, which is going to go right there. I just want to make sure that the name is right. And that's about right. So we are going to heat press this for 2 seconds again, just because we still have to remove the plastic. So if we're doing for a fully 12 seconds, you might see marks on the other part. With glitter flake is not so much, but like if I got some plastic touching the ultra wheat, it'll leave marks, and I don't want that. So oops, you gotta be careful when you removing them. So just get this one didn't get stuck. So now we can do a 12 seconds or even 15 seconds. And our shirt is ready. I really like this design. It just makes me happy just to see it. It's like really pretty. I love the glitter. I was going to add the balloons and glitter, but I figured I like ultra glitter as well. And I was like, it already has too much shine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. And visit my Etsy shop. I'm gonna start adding stuff on my website as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Any concerns. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.